I have, oh, I'm so excited.
What?
So last week we had this massive sale on Bandai.
Why would we do that? It flies out the door anyway.
Well, because we thought...
We wanted to whip them into a frenzy.
That's right. Get everyone ready for all the fresh stuff that's come in.
Because how much fresh stuff?
We've got the most Bandai that Hearns has ever gotten before. In history.
In its 77-year history.
We've got the most Bandai ever. And we would have the most Bandai in the city centre right now.
I would say we've got the most Bandai in Victoria.
We've got the most Bandai in Australia. That's probably stretching it a bit, but we've got a lot of Bandai.
I like to stretch it.
Stretchy, stretchy. Look at what we got.
Just don't break it.
This is back.
You can bend the truth, just don't break it.
We bent it a lot. We got the MGSD Barbatos back in stock.
You know, that's my favourite.
You love these, don't you? You love the SDs.
I just haven't.
And
just haven't committed to actually doing one.
This is a Chunkamunka SD. Like this box is 4 times the size of a normal SD.
But it's not 4 times the price.
No, it isn't. Not at all. So this is very popular. So if you're not familiar, MG is a master grade and SD is a super deformed, which is the short squatty ones. So this is like a master grade version, which is really complicated.
Really complicated.
In the short versions.
Doesn't take up much space.
No, not at all.
And they look cool.
I do. So a little bit
And you
comical.
say Barbatos.
What do you say?
Barbatos.
Oh, do you?
Yes.
Oh, that almost sounds like the island.
I'm not sure.
No, maybe not. All right, let's move along. All right, so we got that. Oh, I got one that I reckon you would like.
Is it going to... Oh. Why would you think I would like that one?
Oh, because you tend to like these ones.
So you've been sniffing around the Gundam rack like never before, and I've just found out why. We've got more girlies in.
We have a lot of girlies. These are the full figures. Okay, so these are Mana Osaki, but we've also got option parts.
Why would they need option parts?
Just to change the look. You can take off clothes.
I
You
like
can put on more clothes.
I like the way God created
Change
them.
your faces. Change your hairstyles.
I like the